Yeah, after the silver car, we are turning left, please. Good. Mirror check is fine. Good observation. Speed is fine. Position is fine. Now we come to the left. Good. And now we're gonna pull up to the left in a safe, convenient, and legal place. Hey, move forward.
Yeah.
Just stop here next to this verge. Yeah. Move forward. Yeah, that's good. Always use this reference and then stop. Perfectly fine. Park the car, handbrake up and relax. So how did you find this time when you went in the narrow road, this road?
Okay, but there was more hazards, weren't there?
Yeah, so many.
So it's more like stopping and whatever, but that's fine, yeah.
Stopping and dealing with so many hazards on this
Yeah.
road.
Yeah, but it's
And-
better to stop than not stopping. Then.
Yeah, if we don't stop, we just gonna go in the car. That's the danger.
Exactly, yeah.
So avoid the danger and hazard. We just slow down sometime, or we just stop on the side.
Yeah.
If the car approaching really fast, because it's a 20 road, but people sometimes come really fast. So if they come really fast, we slow down, stop on the side, give them way. When they go, we slowly come out and do our turn, okay? But with the effective observation. Effective mean center mirror, left mirror, look around as well, look on the left, right, and then we turn. Okay? So just few minutes we take a break, and after the break we gonna go out again to practice this left turn. Just to put it on pause. Okay, let's move off. Get ready using the form routine, and then no, just press the drive. That's it. When you
Okay.
see a green car,
Yeah, no problem.
then your car is ready, so we signal for a front blind spot check. Okay, shoulder check. Good. Okay, keep going ahead, and end of the road we are turning left. So not this road.
Yeah, the
After
next
this,
one.
yeah. After this road, we're gonna start the left turn routine. We call it MSPSL. Okay. That's good. Mirror check is okay. Good observation. Good. You keep going ahead. At the crossroad, turn left, please. You're doing well, okay? Good. Look there again. Good. Good observation. Good planning, good observation, perfectly fine. Follow the road ahead. Keep going. End of this road, we are turning left.
This one.
Yeah.
At the bottom?
Yeah, end of the road, there's one road before. So
Okay,
we're
so you
gonna
want to go that way?
yes, we're gonna
Yeah,
go
that's
that way this time. Just wanna see how you're dealing with that road, okay? So check your right mirror and go. Good. So next road we are turning left. good.
The one where it says 20 miles
It-
per hour. that way.
yes,
Yeah,
this one.
that's fine.
As we can see the 20 sign.
Mhm.
So we're turning left here before the 20 sign. So when we're turning left, look, there's a hazard on our side. And there's a woman coming, so we don't turn, okay? She's coming toward our turn.
Mhm.
So when she go on the pavement, then we're gonna go.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just
I don't think she can.
let her out. She got dog as well, so we don't wanna go front of her.
Yeah.
Now we turn, okay? Now turn, good, perfectly fine. Away from the red car obstruction.
Yeah.
Good. Slowly move forward and look at the gap, and then we go to this side. More to my side, more perfect. And follow the road ahead. Keep going ahead.
Bindon Road.
Yeah. End of this road, we are turning right this time.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Slowly move forward. Or we're gonna turn left is fine. Turn left here.
Turn left. Is
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Slowly creep out. And look at the obstruction as well and turn. Slowly turn, we don't want to hit the curb. Perfectly fine, you dealt with it really good. That's fine.
Well, there's a lot of hazards around here, isn't
Yeah,
there?
I know.
There weren't before, there is now.
Yeah. Every road is different.
Yeah.
Keep going ahead, end of the road, turn left now.
Yeah, that's
End.
fine.
So we're gonna start our routine here. 10 cars away, okay? 10 cars mean we just, when we come here,
Mhm.
like 10 cars and then we signal. So when you turn left, then we're gonna pull up to the left in a safe, convenient, legal place, okay? Check on your right. Yeah, good. Good turn, good observation. He will stop for you. Oh, yeah, he will. I think he's going in his driveway.
Okay.
So we stop and we're gonna stop here next to this big fat tree, okay?
Okay.
So check your center mirror, left mirror. And slowly come here. We park up here next to this big tree. And stop here. That's perfectly fine. Good. Park the car and brake up and relax.